The approval and trust rating for our top officials have dropped in September. Vice President Sara Duterte saw the highest drop with around 10 percentage points. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has that report.
The approval and trust ratings of both President Bongbong Marcos and Vice President Sara Duterte declined in Pulse Asia's latest survey, which was conducted from September 6 to 13. The president's approval score dipped by 3 percentage points from June to 50% in September, while his trust rating slid 2 percentage points to 50% as well. According to the chair of UST's Political Science Department, Professor Dennis Coronacion, the president's numbers continue to reflect lingering issues around inflation, poverty, crime, and tensions at the West Philippine Sea.
Sa lahat ng suliranin ng ating bansa, among these top officials, ang tinatamaan ng husto yung Pangulo. Nandyan din yung West Philippine Sea issue. Oo, alam naman natin na since the President is the architect of our foreign policy, patuloy tayo nabubuli. May mga hostile incidents sa mga disputed territories. Ang naisip agad ng tao ay yung Pangulo. O sasabihin, sign ng kaduwagan.
But the biggest movement in the survey showed up in Vice President Sara Duterte's numbers. She dropped 9 percentage points in approval in September, coming in at 60%, while she lost 10 percentage points in her trust rating, falling to 61%. The Vice President's biggest decline in trust was in the National Capital Region, where it fell a whopping 29 points to just 37%. It's the complete opposite for her in Mindanao, where her trust score dipped 5 points but remained at a high 90% in September. Political analysts say it's clear Duterte's numbers were affected by the contentious hearings on the budget of the office of the vice president. He says it also didn't help that she butted heads with the lawmakers and boycotted the hearings.
Nagtuloy-tuloy yung pagbanat sa kanya ng mga members ng House hanggang tuluyan na nasira yung kanyang kredibilidad sa publiko, no? Ang gustong palabasin ng Kongreso doon ay corruption na Vice President official. The members of the House have succeeded, and it reflects on the survey ratings of the Vice President.
Aside from the top 2 officials, Senate President Cheese Escudero and House Speaker Martin Romualdez also suffered declines in their numbers. Escudero, who took over just in May, saw his trust rating drop 13 points. His September approval rating came in at 60%. Speaker Romualdez, meanwhile, saw a 3-point decline in his September approval rating, coming in at 32%, while his trust rating dipped to 31% in the same period. Professor Coronacion says the pressure is greater on Speaker Romualdez to improve his numbers, especially if there are bigger plans for him in 2028.
Dahil kung si VP Sara Duterte, siya yung may pressure din sa kanya kasi expected rin siyang tumakbo bilang presidente. The same goes for Speaker Martin Romualdez kasi siya yung ini-expect na pambato ng administration coalition sa darating na 2028 presidential election. Kung sa ngayon 32% or 33%, dapat by next survey cycle nakaano ka na, siguro 37 or 38. So little by little makikita mo na may progress.
Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho. We are One News.